sealed bags, I think we're going to start a coin hunt. Ooh, there's our first find. We'll take that one. Sherlock Holmes. Ooh, an Olympic. I think I found one of these before. First above face value. It's one of them. Burns. Lord Kitchener. Ooh, there we go. And what's happened to that one? It's Taylor of Gloucester. Ooh, there's two together there. Another Olympic. That's a nice find. There's a Paddington. And I just say that and look what we find. There's a nice one as well. Actually, it's in decent condition, this one. And it may even replace one that I've got in my collection. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hello, welcome back. This is CoinTech. So, I have a bag. These are the £2 coins. These aren't sealed, unfortunately. I can't get sealed bags of £2 coins very often, as you're probably aware if you watch any of my videos. It's very difficult, but I'll go with these. So, let's open this bag. Oops. But the first 15, put those to one side, the other 10. So, as I said, these are all not in the camera, sorry about that. So this is the first 15, and we'll have a look. We'll start with this one. Make room for the finds, should we find anything. And perhaps I'll rearrange the angle. So here we are. So, first bag. Well, that's not a very good start. Ooh, there's one straight away. Straight away. Well, actually not straight away, obviously. 4 bags in. There's a Shakespeare's Tragedies. That's the first above face value. First find of anything, in fact. In decent condition, but not spectacularly so. Ooh, there's another one. Another Shakespeare's coin. Shakespeare's Histories, this one. Just need the comedies, which is the one that, of course, I can't find. Grotty one again, 1998. It's weird that we haven't found any standard finds so far. Oh, I'll just say that, and there's one. There's this, if you can see, Charles Dickens. Not in brilliant condition. That's in the 2012 coin. Ooh, there's one. That's Britannia. I didn't even notice what year it was. It looks a bit shiny, but deceptive. Could be 2016. Yeah, 2016. So the least sort of in demand, but it's another one above face value, and we've only got one that isn't so far. Oh, there's another one. What's going on? Right on the end, another Shakespeare's Tragedy. Slightly better condition than the last one. Not much in it, really. That's 2 of those. Oh, 2 together there. So there's a actually nice condition for the coin. Brunel portrait, 2006, as you see. Slight, not so good on the other side, but not too bad condition on that rebirth. And then there's the Brunel arches. So I don't know whether that was coincidental. Somebody perhaps put them back into circulation together. Oh, there's a Act of Union. But yeah, so that one is not above face value again, but oh, this one's definitely got a lot more in than normal. There's another First World War, Lord Kitchener, 2014. There is a possible error on this one with a mule coin, but I think that one's a standard coin, £2 at the bottom on the other side. Oh, there's another one. There's the Abolition of the Slave Trade, 2007. Oh, there's another Lord Kitchener. And again, that one's a standard one. Quite difficult, I think, to find the mule, that one. So this is down to the last 3 bags. Oh. There's one. Rugby World Cup from 1999. I don't know, am I missing something? I don't know what all the stars are on the fields on this one, but the stars, the dots, whatever. Not sure if I know what that means. Perhaps I should look it up. If you know, let me know. There's the Abolition of Slave Trade again. Oh, I just realised I didn't put the coin back. Sorry. There's another Brunel arches, Brunel's achievements. Oh, and another one. There's 2 in the same bag. This is the final bag. And that's it. Nothing else. I'm going to put that one there. Put that one there. I'll have a look in the remaining coins just to see if there's any things that I've missed. If there are, I'll let you know. And I'll have a wrap up as soon as I come back. Yeah, so I didn't find any other finds in those bags. So this is what we found. So we found Abolition of the Slave Trade, the Rugby World Cup in 1999. Oops. Just realised there's 2 of those. So I'll stick those together. So yeah, we had the Act of Union, 2 of those. The Portrait, Brunel, and his achievements, 3 of those. Charles Dickens, 1 of those. 2 of the Lord Kitcheners, and the above face values, well, they're mostly Shakespeare. coins. We had 2 of the tragedies, no comedies, sadly, histories, and the Britannia from 2016, which I think, bearing in mind that there's so many Shakespeare's, I think we're going to go with the Find of the Hunt. So not a spectacular hunt, but we've still got some bags to search through, and I'll hopefully find some stuff in those. Hello, welcome back again. So I've now got the last 10 bags of those 25 bags from the £500 of £2 coins. So we'll look through those, see what we've got in here. We've only got 10 bags, so it shouldn't take too long. £2 coins don't take that long to search generally, and especially when there's nothing in them. Oh, there's another. And I didn't look. I did notice it was shiny. I didn't look at the date. You probably saw it. But I think it's another 2016 because it's quite shiny. Yeah. So there's the first find in this bag. Oh, there's one. Let's put it out the right way. Florence Nightingale. It's a 2010, but it's usually in quite good condition. That one's not too bad. Oh, and there's another one. Oh, so it's not in too bad condition, but that one's actually not in that good condition. It looks like it's been target practiced or something. Oh, there's a 2010. I said I wasn't going to look for these, but since I noticed it, and it doesn't look like it. No, not a DDO on that one, but you can get DDOs on this 2010. I haven't found any lately actually, but oh, there's one. I think we found that one last time. It's the Marconi wireless transmission. As you can see, it's in okay condition. 2001. There's another 2010. So let's see this one. And doesn't look like it. Strangely, since I've been doing videos, I've found very few. These coin hunts. Yep, there's an Act of Union. Oops. So the last bag. That's it. That's no more. So obviously I don't need to look. We've had a look at the coins, I think, but this is going to be the find of the hunt. Again, it's going to be Britannia. Again, it's going to be a 2016. So I apologise, but you know, what are you going to do? This is coin hunting. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, I'll have better luck next time. And I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye. Doop.
I'm not usually the one who acts out all those crazy little things we all kind of dream about.